If you're sending cold emails and not getting any replies, or your emails keep landing in spam, this is the video for you, as I'll be showing you how to use Smartreach.io step by step as a complete beginner. Smartreach.io helps persons to send cold email the right way. I'll explain what Smartreach.io is, how it works, and also show you simple examples of how beginners use it to book meetings, no technical skills needed. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which will allow you to get started for completely free. Now let's dive in. Now, what is Smartreach.io? Smartreach.io is a cold email tool that helps you send personalized cold emails, automatically follow up, and also rotate multiple inboxes safely. With this, you'll be able to improve email deliverability, track replies in one place, and also instead of manually sending emails and forgetting follow-ups, Smartreach automates the entire outreach process while keeping emails human-like. Smartreach is like an assistant that sends your cold emails, follow up for you, and also protect your inbox reputation. Now, who is Smartreach.io for? Smartreach.io is ideal for freelancers pitching services, agencies doing client outreach, and also founders selling B2B offers. Or if you are a sales rep and SDR, Smartreach would be a good option. Basically, anyone sending cold emails regularly. Cold emails is a part of how you get your clients or leads. Smartreach is built for you. Now, the first thing I want you to do, once you have tapped on the link in the description, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. And you're just going to tap on Try for Free. From there, you'll be able to sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And now, let's dive in. Once you're signed up to Smartreach, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Now, how does Smartreach.io work? The first thing you'll do is connect an email inbox, so you can tap on email right here. After you have done that, you'll tap on connect your sending email account, and you'll tap on connect your email. From here, you'll be able to connect your Google Workspace email, your Microsoft 365, for example, Outlook. You have numerous options. After you have done that, what you'll need to do next is upload your lead list. So you'll go over to the left-hand menu option, you'll tap on prospects. From here, you'll be able to upload a CSV file by tapping on Upload CSV File, or you can choose to add manually. After you have done that, you're going to be creating an email sequence. So you'll tap on the second icon from the top left-hand corner, which is Campaigns. Then you'll tap on Create your first campaign. And from there, you'll be able to create a campaign. Once that's done, Smartreach sends email automatically, sends follow-ups if there is no reply, and also stops when someone responds. So you don't need to code or set up complex systems. A good example of this would be, for example, a basic cold email campaign. Let's say you are a freelancer offering web design. What you do is upload a list of business owners. So you'd go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on prospects. From there, you'll upload your CSV file of business owners. Then you'll write one short email and add 2 to 3 follow-ups. And that's basically it. You can also, for example, another example is follow-ups that actually get replies. So most replies come from follow-ups, not the first email. Smartreach lets you add follow-ups like just checking in, did you see my last email? You can space them over a few days. You can also personalize each step. Also, if you don't have a lead list as yet, you can use Smartreach to actually get contacts. You'll go over to the left-hand menu option. From here, you can tap on Lead Finder, which is a new feature that they have. And all you'll need to do is tap on Install Prospect Daddy extension. Once you have done that, it is going to open the Chrome extension market. And you're just going to tap on Add to Chrome. And from there, you'll be able to use it to find prospects on LinkedIn. And you can search by company or so on. Now, let's say, for example, I were to add a prospect. So I'll add the prospect. After I've done that, all we'll need to do now, we can create a campaign. So let's say we were to use this campaign. You can see that I've added a prospect right there. We'll tap on Next. You have two options. You can either choose to set up the campaign yourself, or you can use the AI Assist. You'll simply tap right there. Then from there, you can add in. We help sales team in B2B agencies to book more sales. You can write in right there whatever you like them to help you with. So this is how it would look if you were to use their AI feature. So after you have provided the information, you'll tap on create campaign sequence, and you can see that it is loading up. And that's basically it. It's quite straightforward, as you can see right there. It automatically sets it up, and you can see day 1. You can see the follow-up right there if you didn't get a response, and you can scroll down if it is a case that you would like to add a particular variant, or if you like to add a new step, you can do that. Then you'll tap on next, and this is where you will be able to add your email account by tapping on add email account right there. You can also choose to use their inbox rotation feature, as you'll be able to rotate up to 50 emails per campaign. So that's a good option if you would like. And when it comes onto Smartreach.io, if we were to check out their pricing plan, you can see right here that you can get started for as low as $39 per month, and you'll be able to send unlimited emails and also numerous other features. And it can go up to $599, and their most popular plan is for $249. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up. Thanks for watching.